Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Amazon brand name and logo. Stay tuned. Alright, so today we're gonna go to my computer and I will show you how to create Amazon brand name and logo. So in that way you know exactly what to do when you are in your computer. Let's get into the computer. Alright, so first of all, when you wanted to create a brand name for your Amazon product, you just have to find the brand name first. It's the best for you is to go to this website. It's called Namechk, and then after you go to this website namechk.com, you can just insert the keywords. So when you insert the keywords, you can put any kind of keywords that, how to say this, the keyword that in your niche or in your category. Let's say if you are in a kitchen niche, or maybe you are in an office supply niche, or you are in a cell phone accessories niche. So it depends, you know, what kind of niche that you want to sell on Amazon. So you can just input that category name to that box here. Let's say if office supply probably is good. Generate. All right, now in here it's ask you if you wanted the long names or medium names or short names. So I would recommend you to do, you know, either short or medium. The reason of that is if you have a long, you know, names, it's gonna be harder for people to remember. So we wanted to see like the name Nike. That's only a simple words like that, or Apple, or Google. So just a simple name, short names will be the best. So yeah, but then you know, sometimes it's gonna be hard for you to only just look for the short name. So I'll put this one short and medium names. So in that way you have more option or choice that you can choose for the brand name. All right, just click generate. Now you can see there's a lot of names here that pop up after you put that keywords. Now my other recommendation, when you choose the brand name, try to choose the name that not associated with that category itself. So you want to have that brand name which is, it can apply to a different category. So it can apply to kitchen, you can apply to the office, you can apply to cell phone accessories, any kind of niche that maybe, you know, in the future later on you don't want to sell in office supply niche. You can always change the niche to a different niche and you still can use that brand name. So if you use, let's say, you know, if you put the brand name office grade, so then it's not gonna be good when later on when you wanted to sell a kitchen niche, for example. So try to find the words that can apply to a different niche, a different category. For example, like this one, courage, probably, you know, you can do that. And then maybe hay store, you can do that. And then Megancy, you can do that. So all those things that you know, can be applied to a different category. This one, cherry, you can do that. Or intery, you can do that. This one, Percy, you can do that. VAs, you can do that. Grancy, you can do that. Now when you see all these different names, you need also to check whether this name is available for website and then for Facebook, or probably for Pinterest later on, or different kind of social media, whether they already use this name on the social media or not. You can just go to the find website name and social media name availability. Namechk, yeah, or Namechk. Yeah, Namechk. Either this or this one. Probably last time I used Namechk. I used this one, Namechk. Let's say if you put grungy here, see if it's available or not on the website. So you wanted to have the domain is .com, and you wanted to see if it's available. See, this one is not available .com, so that means you should not use this one, but you still can use .co, .io, but I would recommend .com, where most people looking, when they type on the URL of the Googles, they looking for the .com. So let's find a different name. That was we were looking at Mandize probably. Let's check it. I guess this one is not available. La Box. This one also not available. This is the problem also when you're looking for a brand name from this kind of website. A lot of time, the brand name is already been taken. Not the brand name, I mean the domain and all other things. Oh, this one here. Hot fence. Okay, so this is good. See, the .com is available. Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, MySpace, YouTube, all these important social media, most of them they have it. So Hot Fans, it could be one of the brand name. Let's check another one. La Box. Let's try that one. Alright, this is not good because a lot of them is already been taken. Mandize. Okay, this is not good. So the only that available was Hub Fans. Yep, this is good. So you can use this name, for example. That's what you need to do when you try to get an idea of what's the brand name that you will choose. After you already check all of this, then you need to quickly take all this domain name. You can just go to Namechk or any domain registrar that you have, and then you can just purchase that. See, this one is $8.88. Advance. Alright, so $8.88, you can just purchase it right away. So in that way, nobody's gonna take it from you. And from here, there's things that you need to add on. I would say most important here is the SSL you need to get. It's gonna be your website. It will be HTTPS later on. And WordPress hosting or web hosting, you can use this also if you like to do that, but then at the beginning you can just get this first, the $8.88 and $3.88, and you can continue with that after that. Alright, so now after you get the name Hot Fans, then you need to create the logo. I like to use this one, is called Brand Crowd. So brandcrowd.com. I'm gonna put the link in the description also below. Just put that logo maker, and then you put the name Hub Fans, and then create logos. And you can see now there's so many logos available that you can choose. See, there's a lot of logo that you can choose, and then you can edit it also. Let's say, you know, if you like the logo of this one, for example, you can edit it. Okay, and yeah, you can put your email later on once you want to check that. Now let's say if you want to change, you know, the background to a different color. Default color is that one. So, and then I want to change the background gradient color to black. So, for example, like that. Okay, and then this one also, you want to make it bigger, smaller. So same thing with this one, you can always make it bigger or smaller, or you can just even type it in different name. But of course you want to use that slogan here. For example, you know, you can put the slogan feature office supply, for example, right? And you can either, you know, change this one to a different font. Let's say you like this one, you can do that. You can like this one. Probably lobster 2. Like that one, Marvel. This one looks good, so you can change anything in here. Then after you like this logo, you can just download it and put your email address, and then they're gonna send it to you, the logo here, to your email address. And later on, of course, if you decide to use this, the good thing about this brand crowd, where they have an option for you to purchase, you know, for your website design, and for your social media, and you know, for like Facebook, and you wanted to get the banner and everything, they also have it according to your, you know, your logo that you make here. So that's what I like about brand crowd. So that's about it for today's video. This is the video how to create your Amazon brand name and logo. So if you like this video and if you get the benefit from this video, you can just give us a thumbs up, and it's gonna help the YouTube algorithm a little bit. And don't forget to check my other 2 videos here. It's gonna help you more to learn about Amazon FBA or internet marketing in general. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click bell notification, so in that way you get the next video when I have a next video coming up. Alright, so I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video.